My name is Troy Mifsud. My company is called MyBIMTeam, and we provide consulting services for architects and for building owners. For architects, it's a combination of BIM consulting as well as laser scanning of existing conditions. And for the owners, we help them on the receiving end of all the BIM deliverables as well as help document their facilities. Yeah, we've done projects of all sizes, from small residential houses that are being renovated up to millions of square feet with universities and hospitals and everything in between. So we do a lot of scanning of the interior conditions, and then we take the point clouds and we build Revit models to hand off to the architects to do their design work. We do small residential, so some of our clients, architects, do that type of work. So we've been going through basements. I've had my son operating the device on his knees on knee pads to avoid the height issues that would be that, and then go throughout the house. And we're in and out of there in no time at all with the scanner. And we do it inside and outside with that device. So we do lots of small projects as well. Speed. It is so much faster than what we used to do with our other old terrestrial scanner. And then color at the same time is great. And then the third part, the IVION interface to look at the imagery and share that with our clients, they love that. They like that much more than the point clouds. The point clouds are for us, then to deliver them a model, but they love the imagery. We used to have to spend a lot of time to do that on our own. So to be able to just take the hard drive and plug it in and upload the files and just check in a little bit while later, and the point clouds are pretty much ready to go. It's been great. On large projects, there's a little bit of work we have multiple data sets to pull it all together, but still so much less time than hundreds of individual scans. Great data in time allows us to really keep our costs low for them. So we've been able to reduce our costs to the clients by using the device. So they get great data and all the imagery in less time and for less cost. Well, thanks for making such great technology.